onwe video from a trend online. Mathias Ezeaku and the Ndotie will a video evangelist could be about a husband and wife for them to be dancing and kissing themselves because of how we bring a peace in among them. So Mathias Ezeaku will let the video when I'm more where a bull Zion minister corner more where the video now more Zion ministry can you hold your more Zion ministry because of the husband and wife kissing themselves in the church in a ministry. For me, I did not see anything wrong on this video because they are husband and wife, and in a church, they kiss themselves. Only him fly back. The same Mathias Ezeaku na more Zion ministry. The same Mathias Ezeaku bonye grand members here na had the capability of having in a dinner. For me, I did not see anything wrong in this video. People which are more Zion ministry. No to Mathias Ezeaku which were na more Zion ministry because of this video. I did not see any long thing on this video because these people are for their husband and wife. So I did not see anything wrong on this video. The same Mathias Ezeaku na more Zion ministry because of this video. Husband and wife, for them just go kiss themselves to bring peace among them. You are mocking them, you are mocking the Zion ministry. Inform of na have no men here.
Let's boy when I service some of man, Nando called them Ndori. Ndori can have only to go in why you want. And I protect some of the Yanima Bosso. A brother man, I hear Chinaka. Was no about the single. Let's boy when I service some of man, Nando called them Ndori. Ndori can have only to go in why you want.
But Mathias Ezeaku go and go Golando member so far na ha go take protection ka ha na di no nwefe as long as you go do capable iko na go take protection kwa wiko nwa angole. Look at what you are teaching your followers, look at what you are teaching your members. Ka ha go take protection as long as you go here you do capable to do it, you are free to do it. Do you see ihe na akuzi no member go? So nwa go 15 years bi na agban ilo, you will be happy. 20 years now we would be happy. Or I feel your ancestors were gonna because our ancestors sometimes someone are over when you are saying that you are going back to our root. Mathias Ezeaku, you are teaching our youth. Kafana ebindo komiko. Kahane ebindo komiko. That is what you are teaching our youth. That is what you are teaching our youth, and that is what you are teaching the people ndo your church. So Mathias Ezeaku, I want to go 18 years now, Banilo. Will you be happy? Go 15 years now, Banilo. Will you be happy? Go 20 years now, Banilo. Will you be happy? And this is what we are teaching them. So, Obi Halo Nanwago Bulu Virgin Nord 9 Halo Kobo. Look at what you are teaching your Undo Common and Agosondo Kifana Bonabo. Our ancestors, our mothers, sometimes Hannah Virgin will not in olden days, and you say that you are going back to your root. I don't know where you are going to. So your church Abugebe working and one week after Okabasa Hejin Bana Hotel, but somewhere when I didn't know because of Genova Sianya Bugani, we are free to I didn't come. So that's what your church is. As long as you are capable, as long as you go, you are free to do it. So church ga bulugo come na ga bulugo kabo agbasa oko otu a nwoke na nwanyị nwere ike bọọlụ nwefe si na church pụọ jekwa wiko na ya na nwere ihe na-eme na jadiji anya agwụga na we are free to do it. May God have mercy upon you. May God have mercy upon you. That's the only thing I can tell you. May God have mercy upon you.